greenhouse should be great. This year, 2023 is melon. This is a melon tree here. I put melon seed on greenhouse, so melon flower come, little melon also come, but not sure I can get melon because this is UK and now September, nearly end of September, so no guarantee I can get some melon, because if greenhouse is still like maybe extra 2 weeks or 1 month, they will be okay, but then they are completely finished. This UK really not bad. Look at that flower, melon flower here, guys. Yeah, male flower, female flower, both I have. My rose flower inside. This rose, the finish nearly. This lily for scent, rose for beauty. I always keep these for in my home flower. This is plastic one because some color. This is a real one. Always when I go outside, try to bring flower if I have time to buy a flower. So greenhouse again, guys. I'm just waiting when I get buy my own house. I make proper greenhouse, heated one. So you can eat heated greenhouse, not normal, because doesn't matter. Greenhouse is still, when every tree is die. Okay, bye bye guys. Grow your own green, but look good in greenhouse. There, I like this. 1 year I grow lots of cucumber, so this cucumber I enjoy a lot. And last year I grow, you see, previous vegetable tree, I grow pumpkin, Asian pumpkin. Now is melon. Look good anyway. Eat or not, I love enjoy to grow fruit, vegetable, flower, herbs to grow. Tree have life also, so you have to take care of them. Anyway, bye guys. Take care of yourself and love yourself. Love your family. Be positive and be active. Because like body muscle, people also need brain muscle. Brain muscle only grow when you do positive activity, and it is brain muscle control your body also. So genius people look different than common ordinary people, and positive people look different than negative people. So always be positive and do positive action, and always learn something. Intelligent people always learn something. They never think, yeah, learning is finished. No, learning always start more and more. Upgrade your brain system. Do something for future generation. Improve the world. Upgrade the world. Take care of yourself. Bye. Peace up, guys.